Hi everyone. Zoho Inventory is a GST compliant inventory management software and it ensures that your business meets the GST rules. In this video, we'll learn how to configure your GST, how to set your default tax preference, create tax rates, tax groups, and tax exemptions. Log into Zoho Inventory, then click the gear icon on the top right corner of the page and select Taxes. Here, mark yes if your business is registered for GST. Now, enter the GSTIN of your business. You can also enter the GST registered date. If your business is registered for the composition scheme, you can enable this box. Mark this box if you want to enable reverse charge in your sales transaction. If you import or export goods and services to other countries, or if your business is involved in CES, you can enable this box. Here, you can select the account in which you will be tracking your custom duty charges. If you offer digital services such as online advertising, online courses, cloud-based applications, online streaming, etc. to your overseas customers, then you can mark this box. In addition to this, while creating items, you can mark the box is a digital service. If you opt for digital service, you will have to create a new tax for tracking this separately. Click Save. Now, you've configured GST settings in your organization. Next, let's move on to the default tax preferences. If the majority of your items fall under a particular tax slab, you can set that as your default tax preference. This would be auto-populated while creating items. However, you can change the tax rates while creating items or transactions. You can select the tax for your inter and intra-state tax rate and then click Save. Zoho Inventory automatically populates all the interstate and intra-state taxes. In addition to these, if you wish to add any new tax, such as CES, you can add them here. Click plus new tax to create a new tax. In this video, we'll create a CES tax of 17% and choose the tax type as CES. Click Save. Next, let's see how to create tax groups. You can group 2 or more taxes and apply it to your transactions. Now, for example, if you take motor vehicles, there is a compensation cess of 17% in addition to GST 28%. This 17% cess is not available by default so that you can create a new tax. In the previous step, we saw how to create a new tax. Now, let's create a new tax group with this cess and GST. Next, let's see how to add exemptions in Zoho Inventory. In GST, there are many exemptions. For example, raw materials like khadi fabric, raw silk, or some food items like papad are exempted from tax. You can add the exemptions relevant to your business in Zoho Inventory and apply it to your transactions wherever necessary. Go to the tax exemptions from the left sidebar and click plus new exemptions. Enter the reason for exemption. You can also briefly describe the exemption and choose if this is for your customers or items. Then click Save. Now you have successfully configured the GST for your Zoho Inventory organization. If you have any queries, feel free to contact us at support@zoho-inventory.com. If you wish to watch more videos on Zoho Inventory, you can subscribe to our channel.